Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in kitchen gadgets and accessories. Today, we are diving into a must-have set of attachments for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Whether you're grinding meat, making sausages, or shredding vegetables, the Gvode meat grinder and slicer shredder attachment is the perfect addition to your kitchen. First off, this set is designed to seamlessly fit your KitchenAid mixer, along with other popular brands like Cuisinart. You don't need to worry about compatibility issues. The sturdy, durable construction of these attachments ensures long-lasting performance, made from high-quality aluminum alloy and BPA-free stainless steel. This means you're not just getting a product that works well, but one that's safe and reliable for everyday use. What makes this attachment truly stand out is its versatility. The meat grinder comes with 4 different grinding plates, allowing you to grind meat to 4 different textures. This makes it perfect for everything from ground beef for burgers to more delicate grinding for sausages. Plus, it includes 3 sizes of sausage stuffer tubes, so you can make sausages in various sizes to suit your preferences. On the other side, the slicer and shredder attachment features 3 stainless steel drum blades. One for slicing, one for coarse shredding, and one for fine shredding. This is perfect for quickly processing vegetables like carrots, zucchinis, and cucumbers, or even harder ingredients like cheese and nuts. It's a real-time saver in the kitchen when you need to prepare meals fast. Cleaning this attachment is a breeze. The slicer blades are dishwasher safe, but the other parts are best washed by hand using the included cleaning brush. This ensures that even the smallest crevices are cleaned properly, so your attachment stays in top condition. Whether you're looking to prepare your own ground meat for healthier meals, create homemade sausages, or shred veggies for a delicious salad, the Gvode meat grinder and slicer shredder attachment offers everything you need in one package. It is the best all-around accessory for your KitchenAid stand mixer, making it the ideal tool for any home chef looking to expand their kitchen capabilities. That's it for today's review on the Gvode meat grinder and slicer shredder attachment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great kitchen product reviews from Product Critique. Happy cooking!